Looking to showcase code snippets on your website so your visitors can easily copy or download the code? In this video, we are diving into the code highlighter block from Nextblocks, perfect for adding and showcasing any code, whether HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any language on your website. Whether you are looking to add a copy button or a download button so your visitors can easily download or copy the code, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the code highlighter block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for code highlighter. This is the block. Simply enable it. Let's see the settings of code highlighter block from Nextblocks. From this import presets button, you can easily import presets of this particular block. Then from the select language drop down, you can select from different languages. For example, if you're adding HTML code, then you should select HTML markup. Based on the selected language, your code will be highlighted accordingly in the front end. Then from the select theme drop down, you can select from different themes. So select the theme as per your choice. Then in the source code field, you have to add your code, or you can simply click on this edit code button and you can add the code right in the editor. Once done, click on this edit code button again and it will be in the preview mode again. Then from the alignment, you can align the code. From the options tab, you can mention the language that you are adding over here. For example, we have added HTML, so we'll write HTML. So once you hover on this code snippet, it will show the language. Then in the copy text field, you can write the name for the button that will allow you to copy this code. You can add an icon to that button as well. You can add font awesome icon or dash icons. Let's keep it to none for now. Then in the copy text field, you can add a text that will show once the code is copied. Again, you can add an icon for that as well. In the copy error text field, you can add a message if there are any issues while copying the code. Then from the line number toggle, you can add a line number over here in the code snippet. In the line highlight field, you can highlight lines in the code by mentioning the line number. You can add multiple lines separated by commas. You can even highlight a line range as well. For example, we have added 1, 3, then 4 to 6. So line 1 will be highlighted, then line 3 will be highlighted, and then line 4 to 6 will be highlighted. Then by enabling the download button toggle, you can add a download button that will show once you hover on the code snippet. All this button will show in the front end only. Then in the button text, you can edit the button text. Then from the download icon type section, you can add an icon for this button as well. Then in the link field, you can add the source code file URL by clicking on which visitors can directly download this code. You can even add any external link as well if you like, but the best case scenario would be to add the code itself so users can easily download the code without them needing to copy and paste the code manually. Then in the style tab, you'll find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the source code tab, you can adjust the padding, margin, height of this code snippet. From the custom scrollbar toggle, you can adjust the scrollbar style. You can adjust the scrollbar height. Then from the thumb tab, you can adjust the background, border radius, box shadow of the scrollbar thumb. And then from the track tab, you can adjust the background, border radius, box shadow, scrollbar track. If you have added a text in this language text field, then you will see this language text tab. From here, you can adjust the padding, margin, you can adjust the typography, you can even use global typography, you can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. If you enable the line number toggle, then we'll see this line number tab. You can adjust the number color, you can adjust the border color. If you've added numbers in the line highlight field, then we'll see this line highlight tab. From here, you can adjust the background. You can add background color, or you can add gradient background color as well. Then from the copy download button tab, you can adjust the padding, margin, typography for the copy and download button. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the code highlighter block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.